Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to go live on TikTok. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Now we have these two requirements that you need to check. All right. First up, your account age must be set to 18 years or above. Okay. Second one, there are accounts that needs to be 1,000 plus subscribers or followers to be able to go live on TikTok. All right. So basically, to check that if you're eligible to go live, you can just go ahead and tap on the plus sign right here. Tap on it. As you can see, we have a post, live, create. Now to go to the live section, just go ahead and tap on live right here. Tap on it. And then here you have the practice mode. And to go live, just go ahead and tap on go live. Okay. Tap on got it. Allow. Just wait for it, and here's a countdown. And that is it. You're now live. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.